Meaning of gravitational.
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 Gravitational. Gravitational refers to the force of attraction between two objects due to their mass. This force is always present between any two objects in the universe, and it is what keeps celestial bodies like planets, stars and galaxies in motion. The strength of the gravitational force depends on the mass and distance between two objects. When the distance between two objects increases, the force of attraction decreases. Gravitational force also plays a crucial role in shaping the structure of the universe as we know it, from the formation of galaxies to the evolution of black holes.